Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to share you how you can use the if condition in your Excel. For example, for a current exercise I am using the list of employees and then their status, they are full-time or a contractual job, doing contractual job. So on the allowances I am creating a if condition. For example, if a person is a full-time employee, you have to give him $1,000 allowance, or if he is on contract, then you can give her 500. So it's a very simple condition. Many places you have to use, you can use it. It's very helpful function. You have to put if equal to, then if curly bracket start, the condition is equal to cell. For a current example, we have a B2 equal to bracket full, then what is the true condition? Then condition is he has $1,000 and then he has 500 and curly bracket is closed. Enter, you can see it's 1000 is coming. And now if I select this column and drag into end of my columns where all the rows are completed, it reaches to 101. So I put it, you can see that it creates all the values based on the same formula we copied into rest of the cells. So this is a quick video where I share you how you can use the if condition. For example, if again I am decided that I'm repeating the example that annual leaves for create leak. So here is another example for annual leaves where employee can have annual leaves for 14 days in the case of full and 7 days in the case of a contract. So for this I am again select a cell, press equal, if curly bracket start. So I have to select the cell from it, going to compare the value equal to bracket start full bracket close, then he has 14 days annual leaves and else he has 7 annual leaves. Close the curly brackets, enter. You can see he's a employee Davis, Alex Davis is full-time employee, so he has a 14. So if I drag this here to my 101 cell, you can see formula is copied to rest of the cell, and who is on contract as a 7 days. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.